I have been seeing this magic mixing pixelings all over the place, and I have wanted to try it out because basically you're meant to add in your potions and then you're going to create your own special like doll. And I'm just really like, how does this work? Tell me everything. I need to know. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and try and figure out what we are supposed to be doing because I have no idea. So this seems to be the potion here at the back. I love that, you know, of course, everything is just included in here. Like there's supposed to be a doll in here. It doesn't even feel like a doll. All right. So there's all of these different instructions. So I'm going to take a second, read through all of these. I'll come back and kind of run you through what we're supposed to do, and then we're going to do it. Okay, so there's all kinds of like potions and directions. They are really easy to follow. I love that you have like little pictures and everything is numbered. So like number 1 is I had to take off this plastic, which I've done. And then number 2, we're going to add this. Then we have to add some water. We're adding a unicorn horn. We're adding sparkles. We're adding all kinds of different mixes and water up till the fill line. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that now. And then we're going to come back before I do anything else so that you can be part of the magic reveal, of course. Okay, so I have put all the potions in, and now my next step is I have to remove the golden ring. Oh, and then those are the magic words. So it's Magicus Mixus. So after that, I have to turn the crystal gem until it stops. Okay, so it's turned. And then I have to say the magic words, Magicus Mixus. And then it says push down hard twice. Is that enough? And then it says, please wait a minute for the magic to turn your potion clear. All right, so it's supposed to go clear now. Dun, 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 dun. Did I make my cool? I think I see something. No! So then what do? Do I open it and I get the doll? Is it fully clear? Look at that. This is so exciting. I didn't think it was going to work, to be honest. This is so cool. Okay, I don't know how to open this. And to be honest, the potion that you put in there, it did advise to put a plate under here. And I did not. And I got all over the table. So I think I'm going to open this over the sink. I just don't want the liquid to spill everywhere because it's like blue and purple and it's going to stain. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, so you actually just unscrew it. I thought you had to like pull it. And then check this out. She's right there in the middle. That is so cool. And like, it didn't even feel like there was a doll in there. Check this out. I made a friend. I made that. Dun, 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 dun. Walter, look, we have a new little unicorn friend. There's the unicorn horn I put in there. And then I put dust. This is awesome. Absolutely love this. If I were a kid, I would be going nuts.